Izakaya. It's like Japanese style pub. You can have plenty of beer and all different type of casual meal. Everything goes very well with beer. I could say Izakaya is the coolest culture in Japan. So I'm going to show you how to make Izakaya menu at your home. Today I'm going to make 3 dishes, teriyaki chicken and tataki cutie. It's called smashed cucumber pickles in English. And Chikuwa boat. Maybe it's not familiar for you, but it tastes very good. So let's get started. First, I'm going to make tataki cutie. We're gonna use 1 cucumber, a half clove of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, sesame oil. Beat cucumber with a stick and crack the hole. Cut the cucumber into thirds, break it off into bite-sized pieces. Put the cucumber and 1 spoon of soy sauce in a plastic bag and rub it. Mince the garlic and ginger. After 5 minutes, the cucumber is wilted. So I'm going to discard the liquid like this. I serve cucumber on the plate, then put the garlic and ginger. Okay. Rest of soy sauce. Okay. A little bit sesame oil. And mix it up. Yeah, flavor is so good. The appetizer is ready. And now I'm gonna make Chikuwa boat. We're gonna use Chikuwa. Chikuwa is like a fish sausage. It's shaped like a stick with a hole in the middle. Avocado, tomato, cream cheese. Cut tomatoes, cream cheese, avocado, small pieces. Cut the chikuwa into halves. Stuff cream cheese into a hole in the middle. Put some avocado and tomato nicely. Sprinkle some pepper on it. My second appetizer is ready. It's so pretty, isn't it? Finally, I'm gonna make teriyaki chicken. Teri means shine, yaki means grilled. So this dish is gonna be shine. We're gonna use chicken thigh, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, salt and pepper. In order for the chicken equally heated, make the thickness uniform. Put the cornstarch and salt and pepper in a plastic bag. Put the chicken as well. Shake it, Coat the chicken with the cornstarch evenly. Heat the pan over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the chicken skin side down. So this is gonna be very crispy and it's so good. Grill the skin side until brown. Flip it over and cook the other side. Drain off any excess oil. Use paper towel to absorb any oil that's left. Add soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. Boil down the sauce until it's like a caramel. Continue flipping the chicken over and over to coat it with the sauce. You know your chicken is nearly done while there's no liquid left in the pan. Remove from the heat. Now you can cut it into thick slices. Okay, my dinner is ready. Actually, this is not beer. No alcoholic beer, but kanpai. Itadakimasu. My favorite recipe, teriyaki chicken. This is super good. You know how much this goes good with beer? I know everyone loves teriyaki, but put one effort for ingredients, I mean cornstarch, it makes it so better. So if you're a teriyaki fan, you definitely should try. This is also good. So if you liked my recipe, please try at your home. It's super easy and not so expensive. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Kanpai.